Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Drop-down lists are useful when you want to choose from a list of predefined options. They help keep your data organized and reduce typing mistakes. In this example, we have a spreadsheet containing product names, regions, and sales information. First, select the cell where you want to create the drop-down list. In this example, we are selecting a cell in the region column. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top of Google Sheets and select Dropdown. A Dropdown Rules panel will now appear. Here you can add the options that you want to use in your list. For this example, we can add USA and UK as two options. After adding the options, click Done. Now when you click the cell, you can choose an option from the drop-down list instead of typing the information manually. Drop-down lists are especially useful for regions, statuses, categories, and other types of information with a limited number of choices. And that's how you can create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next video.